make it a better place.
Hi everybody, it's Tina. I wanted to give you guys, the few of you that got the club project for this month, I wanted to give you a run through of what you got so you knew what it was for. It was enough supplies to make this card and then this little treat box. This is the popcorn die, which I love. It's a little bit smaller than you would think. So if you're looking at the popcorn die in the catalog, just know that it's this small. I thought it was a little bit bigger when I got it, and I didn't realize. So that's kind of why I always liked to give you guys these kinds of projects so you guys could see how things really looked. So I'm going to post this. I'm going to go ahead and post this video for everybody in the Facebook group, the Create and Share Handmade Crafts Facebook group. And the club has just been put on hold until January. As I mentioned in the post I left for you guys in that group, out of the 8 people that signed up to do the club, only 4 of you put in orders for last month. So in order for the club to work, I have to have 8 people who are committed to putting in orders every single month. So I totally understand when things come up and it's the we're getting ready to go into the holiday season. It can be stressful. So instead of just stopping and not doing the club anymore, I decided to put it on hold until January, and then I'm going to revisit it in January. And I think that will be nice because we have celebrations. So we'll have that happening during that time as well. So the 4 of you guys got these projects. Everything came in pieces. The 2 die pieces right here, this was in 2 pieces, and then you got leaves and glitter paper and all of it. So the first thing is the card is just like this, and it layers together just like this, early espresso layer, and then the designer paper, the twine gets wrapped around the designer paper. This is from the Paisley set in the holiday catalog, and then this sentiment comes from the Paisley die set or stamp set. So this coordinates with the die set. If you wanted to get both of them together, you would save 10%. So that's how the card goes together. Super simple. I love this die. It is so cute. I just love, it's very, very intricate. You can see you might need to press out some of the pieces in your Paisley. Just double check that. But I love the way these Paisleys come out. So then for the box, you're just going to score on all the edges, and then it goes together. The 2 pieces just go together really easy. And then the bottom kind of folds down. I put a little bit of adhesive. This one I've messed with quite a bit, so you can see my adhesive has not stayed, but that's just because I've messed with it. I've taken it apart and I've been showing it and demonstrating it. And so it's the adhesive has just worn off. So they just pop together like that. I might also put a piece of tape right here just so it will sit flat and not wobble around. The scalloped pieces are going to go up at the top if you want them to, which adds a nice little detail. And then these, you have the die cut pieces for the leaves, and I stamped those leaves using this stamp set. I've used this stamp set so much already, you guys, for fall. It's unreal how much I've used this stamp set, but I love it. It's vintage leaves. It also has the die that goes with it, which is what I used to cut all these out. You can see on some of my leaves, I embossed a couple, and then I had this glitter one. I tied some twine around the leaf. You could tie ribbon. Anything would work. And then I thought it would be a nice little gift to give. These would make great Thanksgiving place settings. If you do a nice dinner table place setting, these would be super cute with some candy inside of them. Or the popcorn die would also be great for Christmas. I can see doing a few things with it for Christmas. I'm going to be doing a few things for the kids' classrooms with the popcorn die. So that is the project. I will list all the supplies I used on the Facebook group. There should be photos on there already. If you have any questions, you can let me know. And then we'll revisit opening the club back up in January. Until then, I am giving away free card kits for every single order. So if you are still going to order from me and you still want to get something free from me, that's perfect because I have something to give. So I will leave a link below that shows my card kits for this month down below. And if you place an order in October, use that host code and get the free kits. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you who've done the club. I've had it going for about a year and a half now, and it's been a pretty good run. And so I have enjoyed every project we've made, and I hope to pick it back up in January. So I would love your guys' feedback. If you want to leave a comment below on the Facebook group or you want to email me, that would be amazing because I always love hearing from you guys. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later.